It's Allie, back again with another training update, so let's check it out.
If you've been wanting to break into AI but didn't know where to start, this one's for you. Jonathan Barrios brings us Introduction to Machine Learning and AI Engineering, a beginner-friendly course for programmers, developers, IT pros, and DevOps engineers who are ready to stop watching AI from the sidelines. You'll start with the fundamentals: regression, tensors, gradient descent, then work up to building real LLM apps with PyTorch, TensorFlow, and LangChain. By the end of this training, you'll have portfolio projects that prove you can do it. Next, Knox Hutchinson is back with JNCIS DevOps, Automation and DevOps Specialist Training. If you're a network engineer who's still configuring things by hand, this is how you level up. You'll build hands-on experience with Ansible, Python, Nornir, and PyEasy, and learn how to implement telemetry workflows and manage Junos configurations at scale. It's built for people with 3 to 5 years of networking experience, and it maps directly to roles like Senior Network Automation Engineer and Net DevOps Engineer. And finally, it's Designing Cisco Data Center Infrastructure with Jeff Kish, CCNP-level training for data center engineers and architects who are ready to think at a design level. This is the V1.2 update, so it reflects how AI has changed data center design, covering lossless Ethernet, high-performance fabrics, and modern platforms like UCS X-Series and Cisco Intersight. If you've already got your DC Core or equivalent experience, this is the natural next step toward your CCNP data center certification.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe here to get the latest from CBT Nuggets. And if you haven't yet, sign up for a free trial and see everything CBT Nuggets training has to offer.